how to dress like a French woman if you are over 50. French women seem to instantly know how to look chic and stylish as they age. They have a real sense of style. They seem to never overdo it. It's that delicate and difficult balance between chic and understated elegance. Let's then see how you can achieve that chic décontracté, smart casual, or the je ne sais quoi of the French women. One of the key secrets of these women is that over time they manage to master a functional wardrobe made of chic basics that are timeless. So French women's wardrobe is stylish, classic, but also modern. French women, despite enjoying classic pieces, they are always modern and updated. French women focus primarily in high quality pieces with an impeccable fit. Their look is always ageless, which make it ideal for women like you and me over 50. Their focus is not to look younger, but rather look their best at their current age. And in today's video I have 5 tips, simple tips that you can definitely apply using pieces you already own in your wardrobe to emulate the much coveted effortless chic of French women. Let's then begin with tip number 1. My first piece of advice is to wear one staple piece at a time, or at most 2 if you want to do a dressier evening outfit. But what exactly is a statement piece? This might create some confusion, so let's clarify this point. A statement piece is any item that stands out due to either its color, print, the cut, or simply due to its originality. It is this special item that will add character to your outfit. For a typical effortlessly chic look, the best and simple way is to wear a staple piece with your basics that are free of extra details and come in simple classic colors. So in this outfit, my statement piece is indeed this embroidery blouse, beautiful blouse from Cézanne, and so I paired it with a simple pair of blue denim jeans. Straight leg jeans are a basic piece and will allow you to kind of dress down these more special and statement pieces. My jeans are relatively cropped. We are heading now into spring, but it's still quite chill, and so here I opted to wear it with a pair of suede nude loafers. But I wanted to show you these leopard print loafers that perhaps most of us could also consider an option. But if you want your outfit to be this chic décontracté, don't go for another statement item, as these loafers will of course be a statement piece in your outfit. So leave them to wear with any other basic outfit. I just wanted to give you this example to kind of show you what to avoid and what to choose instead. To finish the outfit, I'm wearing my suede jacket, but of course no outfit is ever completed without accessories, and jewelry plays a fundamental role. In my opinion, is the icing on the cake, and for this outfit I chose this gold necklace and this gold ring with this beautiful intricate pattern. Wait, let me just add another ring. This one with this freshwater pearl in also gold, 18 karat gold vermeil. I just love it and I think it's the perfect match to this outfit. Needless to say that it is also from Louvre. And these pieces are all made in 18 karat gold vermeil. High quality, durable pieces that I just love. And talking about jewelry, we are moving on to tip number 2. Less is more when it comes to jewelry. Like I said, an outfit is not complete without jewelry. But to stay within this French aesthetic, opt for dainty pieces. These kind of understated, elegant pieces. A beautiful piece of jewelry can definitely add a special touch to an outfit. And so to complete my outfit, I opted to wear this necklace and this ring Again, both pieces are from Louvre. So Louvre is an art-inspired jewelry brand that makes this kind of unique pieces, as you are seeing. These are really beautiful pieces of amazing quality and at an affordable price. So it's a fair price for what you get. This ring is great because it is adjustable. It will fit not only different finger sizes, but also within your hand. You can definitely close it a little bit more and wear it in a thinner finger as well. Really versatile. This one is not adjustable, but it's quite a nice size, and it has this freshwater pearl. Again, all in 18 karat gold vermeil, high quality, really beautiful pieces. I just love this one. This is also very easy to put on. You just have to slide both ends and you take it, place it more upwards or more downwards. So you can play with this necklace, and it is really versatile, just beautiful. Jewelry is indeed the cherry on the cake, the final touch that makes all the difference. As you see, I opted for yellow gold because I do love yellow gold, but if you prefer, most of Louvre's pieces are also available in white gold, so plenty of options for everyone's taste. And if you want to check Louvre's website and maybe buy some of their beautiful pieces, you can use my discount code Sandra and get 15% off your order. And let's move on to tip number 3, that is mix and match unexpectedly. And what I mean by that? Here I'm talking about mixing and matching different styles in the same outfit. Combining unexpected pieces within each other is one styling secret you should definitely embrace if you want to have a modern and updated style. Mixing pieces from very different styles. Pairings you might not initially even dare to try. For example, wearing a t-shirt or a top instead of a button-up shirt with your two-piece suit. Your outfit will look much more relaxed, less contrived, and thus you will also look younger. Like this effortlessly chic outfit, as if you didn't even think of it. Other examples might be wearing a knitted sweater over a satin dress, pairing a midi skirt with riding boots, layering a leather jacket over a flowy blouse with a bow collar, wearing a silk blouse with denim jeans, or pairing loafers with mini skirts. These are just a few examples. When you are choosing your outfit, think in unexpected pieces that you might be wearing. And I'm sure you will love the result much more than this contrived outfit that is all in the same style from head to toe. So all classic from head to toe is not what we want here. This is kind of my signature style since always, mixing high with low, masculine with feminine, very classic with very modern. And these kind of outfits, this kind of smart casual, are outfits that you can wear on a daily basis and also for any special occasion as well. Let's move on now to tip number 4, avoid logos and monograms. As I already mentioned, French women prioritize quality over logos, over brands, because their effortlessly chic style is also synonymous with a certain minimalism. In general, they avoid logos and noticeable designer brands. I'm not saying here that French women don't love their designers, because they do, but it is very uncommon to see a French woman wearing clothing with logos or anything that draws attention to the brand. The outfit should enhance and celebrate the wearer and not the other way around. When thinking of buying anything new for your wardrobe, always seek the best quality your budget allows, along with craftsmanship, timelessness and versatility. So these are all qualities that you should focus when thinking in adding any new item into your wardrobe. And last but not least, one of the most important tips, tip number 5, that is always prioritize a natural beauty routine. Whether it's your makeup, your nails, your hairstyle, the key is to keep things as natural as possible. The makeup of Parisian women and French women in general is often minimal or barely noticeable. A bit of a CC cream instead of a foundation just to even out your complexion, a touch of concealer only where it is needed, a hint of blush on the cheeks, sometimes a red lip and a coat of mascara, and that's it. Always remember, when it comes to makeup, keep it as natural as possible. Hairstyle is also an important point because it can really make us look older or give us that useful look we all aim to. So avoid these almost artificial hairdos. Sometimes French women are even said that they don't even brush their hairs. Of course, it's not like that. They brush their hairs, but in a slightly messy way to kind of give them this more natural, undone, more relaxed look. Your haircut is something that can really make you older, so don't forget to update your hairstyle. In the same way, when it comes to nails, opt for small to medium size. Just avoid these extremely long and fake looking nails. So everything as natural as possible. Of course, French women have a strong beauty routine. They rather prefer to invest in skincare than wear too much makeup to kind of look good. As a conclusion, just remember that French women dress with a casual chic style day to day, with outfits centered around simple basic pieces like denim jeans, simple t-shirts, blouses and button shirts, oversized sunglasses, well-cut blazer or jacket. They may add a beautiful scarf. Shoes are always classic, whether a well-styled loafer, a pair of sneakers or the perfect boot. Et voila! I really hope you find these tips helpful and that you might embrace this French style. It's really easy. So these 5 tips are really easy and simple to follow. I'd love to hear how you incorporate them. Please share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!